Hello, everyone. My name is Shonda Banks. I'm currently work at a behavioral health hospital that do service. Most of our patients there do suffer from a mental illness, as well as we service people who suffer from substance abuse as well. I work very closely with a clinician because I do work in intake at the hospital, as well as I am a case manager there as well. So I work with a clinician when I work in intake that uses the DSM-5 to make her diagnosis as our patients come through our facility, as well as I work closely with the treatment team as a case manager that consists of case manager, a therapist, and the psychiatrist. Also, they don't really use the DSM-5 because usually the patient, when they come to intake, the clinician then makes the diagnosis at that point. But so I do work in those two departments that give me some experience with the DSM-5, and I'm constantly asking questions on, you know, how to use the book, looking through it. So I am a little bit familiar with the DSM-5. I'm very excited about this class and to learn much more. And I wish everyone best of luck. Bye bye.